So for my circuit analysis demonstration, I chose the equation not A and D or C exclusive or not B equals E. So I drew my truth table and we have about 11 columns and 16 rows. Because we have 4 inputs, we're going to have 16 rows. And we're going to start at column D at the bottom and create our 0, 1 pattern. We're going to double it. We're going to double it to where we have a pattern of 4 zeros and 4 ones. 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. And then for column A, we're going to double that to where we're going to have 8 zeros and 8 ones. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So now we're going to look at not A because it's going to be the opposite of what A is. So if we look at our A column, we see that we have 8 zeros, which is false, and 8 ones, which is true, but we're going to take that and do the opposite. So we're going to have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then we're going to take column B and do the opposite because it's not B in the equation. So we're going to do the opposite of what's in column B, which is 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So now we're going to say that's supposed to be not A and D. So not A. So for the next column, not A and D, we're going to take the not A column and compare it with the D column. And in order for us to get a true output, both of our inputs need to be true. So for not A and D, starting from the bottom, we have 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. For the next column, C exclusive or not B, we're going to take the C column and compare it with the not B column. And in order for us to get a true output, one of the inputs must be true and one of the outputs must be false. We cannot have two true outputs and get a true output, and we cannot have two falses and get a true output. So for the exclusive or, only one of the inputs can be true in order for us to output true. So starting from the bottom of C exclusive or not B, we have 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. And for our next column, we're going to take the not A and D or C exclusive or not B. And for this column, one of the inputs must be true in order for us to get a true output, but it can be one or more. And for this one, we're taking both of the previous columns in comparison. From the bottom, we have 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. And for our E column, we're just repeating what we had in our previous column for our single output. And it's going to be 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. And for my circuit, I have inputs A, D, C, B. Starting off at the top, we have not A. Then we have D connecting to not A for the AND. Then we have C going into the exclusive OR. Then we have B, which turns into not B, going into exclusive OR. We have and exclusive OR, not A and D, C, exclusive or, not B, going into or and outputting E. And that is my circuit for my circuit equation.